Hey, want to make a good impression in your lectures and make a quiz for your students with just using PowerPoint like this? This is my dashboard. Question first. What is the capital of Pakistan? Sir, it's Islamabad. Yes, the answer is correct. Give him 10 marks. Let's go back to dashboard and question second. The headquarter of Dir is? Sir, it's Wari. No, it's not Wari. It's Chakdara. No. It's Kumrat. No. It's Temargara. Yes, the correct answer is Temargara. Give him score -5 because their answer was wrong and 10 marks. Let's go back to dashboard. Who is the current PM of Pakistan? Sir, it's Imran Khan. Yes. Give him score 10. It's 20 marks. Question 4th. Who won the last ICC World Cup? Sir, Pakistan. No. India. No. England. Yes. It's England. So give him marks 10. Okay. So if you want like this, I will teach you, and it is very easy. So let's start. First we have to open PowerPoint, and here is my dashboard. Okay. Here we have to insert this box. Let's customize it. Control D, make a copy of it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's go to another slide, and here is the question number first. What is your name? New slide. Question 2. Where do you study? Question. Another slide. Question 3. Who is your favorite personality? Okay, and the last one is my score. Team 1 equals team 2 equals team 3 equals. Here I need a tab which is developer, and we have to bring it here. So we have to customize the ribbon, and here you can see the option developer. Okay, click it. Here we have to insert the chef. Okay, then go to developer and bring the text box right here. Okay, and let's copy it, duplicate it. It's team 2 and it's team 3. Okay, now how to connect, link these questions with questions and question with scores? Okay, so here we have to go to insert an option. Here we have this hyperlink to slide. Question number first is with question 1, and here we want sound And question number 2 with slide. Question 2, we want sound. And question 3 with question 3. Okay, here we have to put the option score, that we give a score to students. So NZ, for example, this one is my desire. I have to customize this, and here score. Okay, and here we have to again link this with score. Here go to developer, insert action, hyperlink, next, slide with score, and click OK. Need sound, yes, click, and here OK. Now we have to copy it, Control C, here copy it, Control V, again copy, Control V, and here we want another option, which would be dashboard. Here write the dashboard, that we go from here straight to dashboard. Okay, and let's link it with dashboard, hyperlink, question, slide, and it's with dashboard. Okay, select sound, click OK, and now our quiz has ready. So question number first. Okay, question number first, what is your name? Blah. Score 12. Dashboard. Question number second, where do you study? Score blah. Question number dashboard. Question number third, with personality, that's question number 15. And this is the method. We have made a quiz with just using PowerPoint. If still you have any question, comment below. Thank you.